If the mean of the number 10, 14x, 11, 13 is x, find the value of x, okay? The mean of the numbers 10, 14, x, 11, 13 is x. The mean of these numbers is x. We are asked to find the value of x. A, 15, B, 14, C, 13, D, 12, E, 10. Now, don't forget that mean is the summation of all the number all over the count of all the number. You understand? Mean of this data, mean is equals to summation x all over n, where n is the total numbers of elements that is present in the data set and x is their sum. Do you understand? So mean, the mean is x. So I'm going to have x equals to summation x, that is summation of all the numbers. I'm going to have 10 plus 14 plus x plus 11 plus 13 all over n. N is 5 because the total number is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're having 5 here. Do you understand? So from this point, you cross multiply. 5 times x is 5x. 5x equals to 10 plus 14. That is what? 24. Are you getting it? 24 plus 11. That is 30. 24 plus 11. That is 35. 35 plus 13. That is 48. So I'm going to have 48 plus x. Don't forget we have x here. Plus x. So collect like times. 5x minus x equals to 48. 4x equals to 48. To get the value of x, you divide by 4. This over 4 and this over 4. X is equals to 12. Do you understand?